Welcome guys, so today I am with AKG Y500 and I'm going to show you how easy you can charge this headset. So as you can see, when you rotate the device like that, we'll find micro USB input. So we need a cable with this end. Take a look. There's the micro USB cable. Let me just catch focus on it. Okay, it looks like that, and we can easily plug it right here. The second end of this cable, it's the USB-A. As you can see, it looks like that, and you can plug it, for example, to the charging brick. You can also plug it to the USB port in your PC, but I'm going to show you. So you have to plug it here, and then plug it to the electricity. And right now, when you make it, this indicator right here at the bottom will shortly blinks on the red, and it means that right now the device is charging. So take a look. When I unplug the cable and plug it back, just like that, as you can see, it blinks on the red. So that's how we can make it. That's how we can charge this headset. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.